Hi friends, welcome back to CADable. This is Engineer Ibrahim Omer, and in this tutorial we will learn about corner relief in Solidworks Sheetmetal. This tutorial was requested by one of our subscriber, so let's start. So let's go to Solidworks and let's see how to use this corner relief command in Solidworks. Here you can see I am using Solidworks 2020, but let's say if you are using a below version of Solidworks or a future version of Solidworks, you can still follow this tutorial. So let's go to here new. Select part and select OK. And now we are in Solidworks interface. So first of all, I will change my background to plain white and I will use mmgs, millimeter gram second units. Okay. I will start with the top plane, select sketch, and here I will make a center rectangle like this. And let's say this dimension is 120. And this dimension is 80 millimeters. Okay, as you can see, the color of the sketch is turned into black, which basically identifies that your sketch is fully defined. You can see here as well, sketch is fully defined. I will rotate it and I'll go to here sheet metal, base flange or tab, and here I will give this a thickness, and I will use let's say this one 2 mm thickness and select OK. Now we will use this command called edge flange, and I will select this edge, I will select this edge, I will select this edge and this edge. Okay, now you can see this is not a correct radius, so I will change this default radius to 3 mm. The basic formula which we use in our industry is 1.5 times thickness. So the thickness was 2 mm. So the bending radius would be 3. Okay, and I will use 30 mm flange height and select OK. So basically corner relief is a cut or gap added at the internal corners like this here, and it prevents material from tearing or bulging, and it allows the sheet to flatten properly. Also, it makes sure to smooth bend your sheet. So I will go to this drop down corners, and here you can see we have 4 commands: close corner, welded corner, break corner or trim corner, and then corner relief. So I will use this command corner relief. So this part is related to bend corner, and I will select this option, collect all corners, so it will automatically collect all the corners. As you can see, and the relief options are rectangular, circular, tear or bound, or we can use manual width as well. So let's select this one, rectangular, and here you can see the preview and select OK. So here you can see the corner relief. I'll go to here flatten. I will flatten my part. Basically you give this whole sheet to a laser machine, and then the laser machine will cut out this portion, and then you will forward this part to bender machine, and the bender machine will apply 4 bends like this, 1 bend here, 1 bend here, 1 bend here and 1 bend here to create this part. Let's apply some different corner reliefs. I'll go to here corner relief again, edit feature, and let's say I will use this option circular, and here you can see the preview. You can change its width. Let's change it to, let's say, 4, and you can see the preview. And here you have to manually change all these corner reliefs. Okay, I'll change it to circular. You can see the preview. Also, I'll change it to circular. Now it is much easier to bend from a press brake or a bending machine. Let's flatten this part, and here you can see the preview. So that's how you can use the corner relief command in Solidworks. I hope you like this short tutorial. Still, if you have any question, any query related to this tutorial or any other tutorial in my list, You can ask in comment section. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more informative and interesting projects. I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.